probably know me. I'm stupid, sigh. I have a terrible job that makes me cry. The trees can't fix that, so it's not worth a try. So I say, let it die. My name is Dan, and Rose is mine. Our son Wesley goes, you'll find. But we checked he's healthy, so we don't mind. So why not let it die? Let it die, let it die. Let it shrivel up and die. The things we do shall stay the same. Planting seeds is super lame. Arborists are such a shame. We must let it die. My name's Mary, and I am 3. I don't give a shit about the tree. I say let it die. I'm climbing norm off the stump, may break my back. Ouch, it really